welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on April 21st. Market analysis. The uncertainty of Trump's tariff policy and the ongoing global trade war have pushed up the risk aversion. In addition, Asian countries are constantly buying gold. Yes, the spot gold market has hit record highs one after another. On this trading day, the price of gold in Asia reached a record high of $3,387 per ounce, which is currently fluctuating within the range. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. From a short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of $33.69 to $33.87, and it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the afternoon market breaks 3,387 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.97 to $34.07. If the afternoon market breaks 3,369 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.59 to $33.49. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1496 to 1.1535. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1535 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1570 to 1.1600. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1496 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1420 to 1.1380. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a rising mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a shock stage. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3362 to 1.3400. If the market breaks 1.3400 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3450 to 1.3500. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3362 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3300 to 1.3270. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a rising mood in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6410 to 0.6430. If the market breaks 0.6430 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6480 to 0.6520. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6410 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6370 to 0.6320. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a main decline mood. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 140.60 to 140.98. If the market breaks 140.98 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 141.50 to 142.20. If the afternoon market breaks 140.60 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 140.00 to 139.70. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.